Hi, I'm Aaron. I'm the guard from the Glenbrook Vintage Railway who is looking after the passenger safety and train operations on our tour train. Well, this train behind us is going all around the North Island. We've started off in Auckland, we've had some people join us in Wellington, and we're now making our way back up via Whanganui and National Park. Whanganui was a natural choice for us to visit. It has a lovely river, it's got a lovely rail connection coming up the Marton to New Plymouth line, and there's a fantastic SteamRail group here as well, which is very well worth a visit. Well, this afternoon our passengers will be heading up the Dury Hill elevator, the world famous elevator, and going for a nice walk, and tomorrow they'll be off on a scenic coach tour up the Whanganui River Road. So this train here has got 6 carriages on it with a capacity of 300 people. On the actual tour itself there's only about 40 on this leg of it. However, we did run some public trains, one of them being the Spiral Express, which departed Ohakuni and went up the Rarumu Spiral up to Taumaranui, of course, on the main trunk line, and that was well supported by the people of Whanganui as well. Well, we'll be here for 2 nights and then we'll be heading off again on our adventure, and we hope to be back soon.